If you've got a tight, jammed up feeling at the base of your neck, here's a great technique to safely release it. If we spend too much time with our head forward or down looking at things, or we get really stressed, the joints at the base of our neck can get stuck, and this feels like a ball of muscle tightness in our traps on one side or the other. Now, if it's not too chronic or severe, we can sometimes release it ourselves, but the key is to localize the movement as much as possible. You certainly don't want to do any twisting movements. This tends to release the top part of the neck, not the bottom part of the neck, and can overstretch vertebral arteries, which can be dangerous. People who tend to crack their upper neck regularly with twisting movements can end up with too much movement in the top part of the neck, and that makes the bottom part of the neck even less inclined to move. I'm going to show you two versions of this. For the first one, lie on your back on a bed or the floor and lengthen the back of your neck, keeping your head on the floor. This opens up the joints at the base of your neck and the upper back. From this position, use the opposite hand at the base of your skull to one side to traction the neck up slightly and then draw it to the side to open up the joints at the base of your neck. Try to tilt your whole neck to the side rather than bending it in the middle. You may hear a click or a pop as it releases at the base of your neck, and just hold it for a couple of seconds and then do the other side. You can actually do this technique sitting if you like. So long neck, tractioning up and drawing to the side. Or even without your hands, tractioning up and letting your head drop to one side. You don't need to do it hard, it's just a gentle stretch to open up the joints. Don't force anything, don't do it fast, don't do anything that hurts. If it feels like the muscles are being stretched a little bit, that's fine, but if they hurt, back off a little. If you want to add something extra, you can try version 2, which involves lifting the pelvis before drawing the head to the side and then breathing out at the end. And this helps to localize the movement at the base of the neck. So it would be lengthen the back of your neck, put your hand on the base of your skull, lift up your pelvis, traction up slightly, draw to the side and breathe out fully. It helps if you breathe out as far as you can. You can do this technique 2 or 3 times each side once a day, but anything more may just irritate things. It'll either release or it won't release, but forcing it won't help. Actually, there's a good chance this will release restricted joints at the base of the neck, even if it doesn't crack, so try not to make cracking it your aim. If you get some relief from this technique, but you feel like you have to do it every day, you may be releasing the wrong joints, in which case you may need to see a chiropractor. Or the cause of your tightness may be something else. For example, if there's knots in the muscles in your traps, you may need to release those. And I have a video on releasing knots in your shoulders using a tennis ball, so I'll link that below. But that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing because it really helps. Okay? Cheers. Oh, check that out. I clocked my head on the garage door. Bald men and garage doors do not make a pretty mixture.